booked 2 BHK flat and our flat number is 906 at Unique Prospero site. And the one thing which I would like to bring up over here is about the way how well planned and the way the security features have been put up over here, which is the main thing which actually grasped my attention. Even though I have visited near about 15 plus projects all over in near about in the circumference of 15 kilometers, but this is the only site it just stolen my heart. Since the day one, we loved the area how it was built up and the way how they constructed the entire plan in a structured way, which is like mind blowing. And I never found such a building and I would say the amenities they have provided in the cost which they are offering now, which is like dominating upon other builders, I would say, in Pune. During a first site, I felt about like the way how each and every space is being utilized and the living area which these guys are bringing up is something like amazing. Though as I said earlier, though we have visited several projects of 2 BHK where we hardly get 580 or 600 square feet, which is the living area, and it's like more complicated way, structured way. And over here it's like the space these guys are contributing is amazing. I would say it's worth the penny which we have spent so far. And I hope and even the way these guys are locating the area is something like amazing. Even these guys, and I am aware about the many projects about Goodwill as well as the Unique, and this is amazing. And even we know this will be the one of the upcoming area where we'll be getting more residential projects over here, and we have the DY portal which is very convenient for our kid in the future. And we have one more plus point is about we came to know that the remaining plots has been taken by the big projects in the Pune. So it definitely it will gonna be one of the best investment, and this is being our first home, and we have made a right selection. That's what I would say. Trust is something which I never had a hope on any builder, being frank, because the way I have got a feedback from other builders in Pune, even in other cities, even in Bangalore. We were there part of Bangalore. So I don't want to take any of the names, but while I'm making a booking over here, I never had a single hope that you guys can hand over by October or before. It was like I was 50-50, so I never had a hope. Even I said my family that if we get the position by end of this year, that will be great for us. But when we visited over here just as a normal visit, then we came to know from Sapna that everything has been done and we will be getting the position in a couple of weeks. This is something like amazing, and I am surprised, and I am not sure whether she's really conveying the truth or she is just making fun out of her. Then I have to visit your head office which is there in the Tank Road. Then I came to know that yes, we will be getting a mail in another couple of days, and it is something. And even when I conveyed this to my office colleagues, they were just made fun of me, like how it is possible, because they given you some another 2 months. It is not possible in Pune that they had handed over and before a month. So it is something like I don't have any word. It's something like you kept the word, and you never given any hope that many things will come, and it is just in the I would say in the purpose of just making the advertisement of yourself. You never said any false commitments to us. That's amazing. Whatever we have heard since the day one, if it is not there, then it is not. That's what you said. It is not like you said something, it was not there. We never had such kind of disappointment overnight.